What's up, traders? Welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kennel. I know it's been a while and I apologize. I hope you guys missed me. But today we're going to be looking at the Titan X Forex robot. So to download this bot, all you need to do is to head over to tradingkennel.com, search for the Titan X. Then you're going to see pop up here. Then you can just click on it and here you go, guys. This is the Titan X Forex robot. It is just $25 only, and for the Titan X you can see some of the description here. The original Titan X was for the MetaTrader 4, but we've also released the MetaTrader 5 version, and it works for currency pairs, and the trading time is 15 minutes. That's what we use. The trading section is non-volatile, and you can also allow backtesting for Titan X, and you can also start this on a demo account. Okay, so you can see a brief description here of the Titan X and the profit log system. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the MetaTrader 5 system. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my account. I've already purchased this Titan X. I'm just going to log into my account and try to download the system. Okay, all right, so I am currently on my account right now. I'm just going to click on my downloads here. And so I can head over to my downloads. As you can see, I have a lot of Forex robots on my downloads. And guys, I also want you to know that we're also coming up with something called subscriptions. So with subscriptions, you can download all robots from Trading Kennel, third-party systems, and our own systems. We're coming up with some plans that you can actually use to download these systems for free entirely. So you don't have to actually pay for a Forex robot. So you can see the Titan X version 21.48. And you can see that here. All right, the previous Titan X here was the MetaTrader 4 version. So this is the MetaTrader 5 version. We're just going to click on that. And that is currently loading up in our downloads right now. Okay, we're just going to click on this and you can see the download is done. So I'm just going to right click and show this in my folder here. So I'm just going to create a new folder on my desktop here. I call this Titan. Okay, then I'm just gonna drag this over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up this file. I'm gonna right click here and extract this here. Okay, so once that's done, I'm just going to head over to my file, head over to my settings here, and then I'm going to disable real-time protection. Okay, so protection updates, rather head over to manage settings and then disable my real-time protection. Okay, this is because the Titan X contains a DLL file and the default Windows sees DLL files as potential viruses, but there is no virus in the DLL file. Okay, so I'm just going to open up the experts terminal here. And then we have the Titan X here, 21.48. And on the terminal here, these are the files we have. Okay, so what you're just going to do here is to right click here, extract all of these files, extract the DLL file, and also extract the fixed file too. Okay, and so we have our terminal here, which is our MT5 terminal here. So what I'm just going to do right now, I'm going to copy the terminal. I'm going to copy the old EACC.dll, and I'm going to copy the main DLL file and the fixed folder. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy all these files, and I'm going to head over to my file location. This is my default file location, but if you're looking for your default file location, you have a MetaTrader 5. Just right click on it, click on the terminal, click on properties, and click on open the file location. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be able to find your default terminal location. So we're just going to right click here. We want to make sure that we have this terminal closed. Okay, and then we're going to right click here and then we're going to paste this. So we're going to replace all the files here. Okay, so once we've done that right now, we can open up the MetaTrader 5 terminal here. Awesome. So MetaTrader 5 terminal has opened up. The next thing we're going to do right now is to copy the default expert advisor, which is the Titan X here. I'm going to copy this here. So I'm just going to expand this out so you can see. When I head over to file, going to open my data folder, and then I'm going to copy the file into my expert advisors directory. Okay, so I'm going to replace this file, and then that's it, guys. And then we're going to go to view on our MetaTrader 5, click on tools, rather, click on options, and then enable dialog imports, and then allow web request. And then we're going to add this URL here. Okay, it's going to be in the description, but make sure you have this URL added here. So we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to go to our view, and then open up our markets watch. And then we can open up our Euro USD here. This is on the 1 hour time frame. We're going to take this down to the 15 minutes time frame, and then we're going to go to view, and then we're going to go to navigator. We're going to refresh the expert advisors folder. Then we're going to double tap on the Titan X. Okay, so you can see that's opened up, and then you can see the basic settings. We have the standard, the trade direction. You can allow it to trade on buy orders or sell orders or the both orders. Okay, and then you can set your lot size. Our lot size here is set to a fixed lot size, and then you can auto scale. Okay, and there are a lot of other features that you can do here. So you can look at them and detect whichever settings that you want for the system. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we are going to provide you guys with a meeting later on this week on the Titan X. And then we're going to walk you through the entire input sections here and probably how to optimize your values. Okay, so once you're done with that, go to common, make sure you have allowed modification of signal settings and algo trading settings. And then that's probably everything you need to do. But you have to make sure you have your lot size here, and also make sure that this is a demo account so you can test this for a while before actually going live. So just click on OK, and you can see the Titan X has been loaded, and we also have current buy trade ongoing. Okay, so you can see that the Titan X here has made a cumulative profit about $7.06. So if I go to my history, you can see all of these profits here. Okay, some of them were manually closed by me because this is just a test, but you can actually see some profits by the Titan X here. Okay, so it currently is on a loss right now, but that's how to install the Titan X for a robot. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Drinking or Support team. I'm more than happy to respond to you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.